Next is adjacent angles. So adjacent angles, you know that if they have a common vertex, okay, if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and their non-common arms are on different sides of the common arm. If you're taking these two angles, angle ABD and angle BDC, here BD is a common line, right? So we can say that angle ABD and DBC both are adjacent angles. So here BD is a common line, common segment. So we can say that ABD and DBC are adjacent angles. If you are taking the angle ABC and angle ABD, here also you will get AB is common vertex, but these two angles are not common, non-adjacent angles. Okay, why? That is, you can refer yourself and tell me why these two angles are not adjacent angles. Okay, so if you want to get this angle, bigger angle ABC, this one, okay, you can add these two angles here, ABD plus DBC. You will get the angle ABC, that is written here. And already I told you angle ABC and ABD are not adjacent angles. So in this figure, two angles are adjacent, that are ABD and angle DBC. Okay, next is linear pair of angles. So what is linear pair of angles? If you are taking two angles in this figure, the angles are ABD and DBC. Okay, I am adding these two angles here, angle ABD plus angle CBD. If I am getting the answer is equal to 180 degree, then we can call it as linear pair of angles. Okay, so the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then we can call these two angles are linear pair of angles. That is the meaning. Next is vertically opposite angles. So you know that what is vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles should be equal. If you are taking this figure, angle BOD and angle AOC, these two angles are vertically opposite angles and both angles should be equal, same. Okay, and again another pair, angle AOD and angle BOC, these two angles are also vertically opposite angle and those angles also should be equal. So one pair is AOC and BOD, next pair is AOD and BOC. That pairs should be same angle, it should be equal. Okay, next, intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. If you are taking the line PQ and SR, these two lines are meeting here. So we can say that these two lines are intersecting each other. If you are checking the line here, PQ and RS, these two lines, if we are extending these two lines will not meet each other, never it meet. So we can say that the line PQ and RS, these two lines are non-intersecting, that means parallel lines. These two lines are non-intersecting lines, that means it have no common point in these two lines. Okay, so we can say that this is non-intersecting lines. In other words, we can call it as parallel lines. Okay, so this is intersecting lines, these two are non-intersecting, that means these two lines are parallel lines. Next one, the length of the common perpendiculars at different points on these parallel lines is the same. This equal length is called the distance between two parallel lines. So this length, if you are drawing a perpendicular line, that line should be perpendicular to the line PQ and RS. Okay, After that, if you are taking the length of that perpendicular line, that should be equal to the distance between the line PQ and RS. Okay, that length of the perpendicular line which you are drawing from PQ and RS, then that distance between the parallel line should be equal to that length of the perpendicular line. Okay.